How to add friends on Steam, quick and easy guide. So first you want to open up Steam and then click on friends and chat, and it should open up this window right here. Now you want to click on the friend plus icon, which is this one, and wait for it to load. Now it should take you to this page where you can see pending invites and add friends. So first, if you want to add a friend, you can get their code, which is this one, friend code right here. You might ask them to copy this code and send it to you. And then you want to enter their code right here and then press enter, and it will bring up their profile. And then you want to click on add friend on the right side. Otherwise, you can scroll down and search for them by name. So for example, type their profile name and press enter to search for them. And right here you can scroll and find your friend and simply click on add as friend to send them a friend request. You can also search by their username if you know their Steam profile username. For example, this one right here, you can copy this and paste it in the search bar, and it will bring up exactly the profiles with these similar names, which makes the search easier. And then your friend will simply receive a notification that he had a friend request from you, and basically goes to the friend request and accept it or ignore it. And you can also cancel sent invites from here if you go to pending invites. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.